Good morning. Now let us try to analyze the diseconomies of scale. Already we have understood the term diseconomies. It refers to all the disadvantages of large scale production when a producing unit expands its business unit. So various problems may arise. Firstly, managerial problem. It would be very difficult to manage such a big uh, business firm. There may be managerial problem. It would be very difficult to manage such big companies. Then second problem is overproduction. There may be every possibility of overproduction. Overproduction implies more production what just necessary. So sometimes it may exceed demand. Supply may exceed demand. In this case, this leads to overproduction, overutilization of the available resources, wastage of resources. You know very well, resources are limited, but human wants are unlimited, no doubt. But we have to make use of the available resources very carefully, and no wastage is allowed. In case of large scale production, there may be every possibility of overproduction. Third difficulty is difficulty in decision making. The large scale companies may have different departments. For every major decision, they have to approach the head office. There may be very much delay in making business decisions. So business decision is an important process and that should be taken quickly. But because of the large scale production and large scale processes, there may be lot of difficulties in decision making. Then number 4, problem of coordination. A large scale producer has to open up different departments like production department, purchase department, sales department, finance department, quality control department, like that. But there may be lack of coordination among all those departments. This may create some problem. Fifth diseconomy is lack of supply of inputs. Large scale producers require inputs on a large scale. They require large scale raw materials, machines, tools, plants, equipments, then land, supply of capital, money, organizational setup. So due to lack of the supply of inputs, they may face some difficulty or problems. Sixth one is financial difficulty. A large scale producer has to mobilize sufficient capital and resources. Sometimes it may be very difficult to raise sufficient resource or financial support. Adequate and timely finance is very much essential for a businessman. Due to financial problem, the firm may stop in the middle. So many firms may stop their production because of the financial difficulty. Financial difficulty is the first difficulty. Therefore, such problem may arise. Seventh, labor diseconomies. Sometimes large scale producers have to face the problem of labor trouble. They require well trained and well skilled workers on a large scale. They may not get sufficient supply of labor force. Another problem is if laborers are united, they may form trade unions. A trade union is a union of wage earners for their own betterment. Trade union may help the workers to raise their voice against their employers. So they may put the threat of strike, they may go for actual strike. Then owners have to go for lockouts. So these problems may lead to stoppage of work. If the strikes turned into violent activities, there may be the loss of production, loss of life, loss of properties, like that. Therefore, labor trouble may lead to disharmony among workers and management of the industry. It may cause sometimes industrial disputes or industrial quarrel. So these are some of the problems or diseconomies of large scale production, disadvantages of large scale production. When a firm takes the decision of expanding its business unit, every firm has to face these problems or disadvantages. Therefore, every large scale producer has to take each and every step to solve such diseconomies or problems so that he can lead his business with great success by enjoying higher income and profit. Okay, so this completes economies and diseconomies of scale, and at the same time the fourth unit of your syllabus. Okay, I will send you the up-to-date notes on the fourth unit also. Thank you.